how to sign up for Etsy Ads account. Now in order to sign up for Etsy Ads, just simply open your browser and in there search for Etsy Ads. Then this first link of how to set up and manage Etsy Ads campaign will appear. Just simply open that, and then in this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll directly get an option of set up Etsy ad. Now if you tap into it, and if you have a seller account and shop, you will get an option to create or sign up an account for Etsy app. Otherwise you will see this page and nothing else. Now in order to fix this, it will tell you how to set up Etsy ad a little bit downwards. You just simply need to go either into etsy.com and select shop manager, or you can go into the app of Etsy seller, and in there choose marketing, and you will see the option of Etsy ads in there, and you can very easily set it up from there and start advertising. First of all, you will need a seller account in Etsy and a verified shop in order to do this. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.